I am exactly 5 foot 4 inches. I am extremely forced to have my exact desired light green eyes, curly, 3A hair, freckles, and 5 foot 4 height starting right now on my first listen, and so on. Forcefully and powerfully, forever I have my exact desired light green eyes. I am extremely forced to have my exact desired light green eyes, curly, 3A hair, freckles, and 5 foot 4 height starting right now on my first listen, and so on. Forcefully and powerfully, forever my eyes' irises are my desired green color, which is a beautiful green. I am extremely forced to have my exact desired light green eyes, curly, 3A hair, freckles, and 5 foot 4 height starting right now on my first listen, and so on. Forcefully and powerfully, forever the 2 irises in both of my eyes are extremely forced to be stripped of all undesired melanin and be completely manipulated to achieve my perfect desired tones, undertones, and pigment of desired green color in my irises immediately and forcefully. The first time I hear this, and permanently, my eyes are extremely green right now. I am extremely forced to have my exact desired light green eyes, curly, 3A hair, freckles, and 5 foot 4 height starting right now on my first listen, and so on. Forcefully and powerfully, forever I have my exact desired curly 3A hair. I am extremely forced to have my exact desired light green eyes, curly, 3A hair, freckles, and 5 foot 4 height starting right now on my first listen, and so on. Forcefully and powerfully, forever my curly hair grows rapidly and shows S-shaped curls. I am extremely forced to have my exact desired light green eyes, curly, 3A hair, freckles, and 5 foot 4 height starting right now on my first listen, and so on. Forcefully and powerfully, forever my curly S-shaped and loosely curly 3A hair is stunning, beautiful, and grows rapidly. I am extremely forced to have my exact desired light green eyes, curly, 3A hair, freckles, and 5 foot 4 height starting right now on my first listen, and so on. Forcefully and powerfully, forever my hair is forced to be curly S-shaped and loosely curly 3A hair 9,999,999 trillion times faster than the speed of light every time I sleep, breathe, eat, smile, laugh, wait, and listen to this subliminal. I am extremely forced to have my exact desired light green eyes, curly, 3A hair, freckles, and 5